collect and take off the bails, and is caught well short. So
difficult to judge the contours of the ground if you're playing a game after a gap of so many years. It's gone after scoring 39 of 34, 71 for 1. That's gone fine away from the field and the deep, well struck for 4.
Oh, you can't afford to err in line to Litonda. She's going to pounce on it any opportunity he gets, as it deviated down leg. All he had to do.
God, first wicket, full delivery. That's where he's good at. Haris Rao got his first international wicket for his country. Full delivery, ace and direction.
It's nicely played away the Yorker length. Worked away on the leg side, probably for a 4. That's beautifully placed.
Just a little tuck around. Didn't have to do too much. It was Yorker length, but he was deviating down the leg side.
Call is for 2. Shadab. Here's after the ball. Second run taken. He's hit the stumps on the full. They're appealing. Shadab is hopeful. Now we know that these direct hits can be lethal.
They can be very interesting. He feels he's got his man, but he did very well, Shadab, after bowling the delivery. Let's have a look at this. It's a brilliant effort. They're not getting the wickets with deliveries, but they seem to be getting them through runouts. Let's see what transpired. Where's the ball? I think it's gone.
Has been good.
Catch it!
Big shot, catch it is the call. It's not been middled. Will it be middled by the fielder? Easily taken at long on. Shadab is having a brilliant time of it. Breathtaking stuff in the field, running up Little Das, and then the left-hander wanting to find the middle of the bat, just couldn't handle it.
Well, the 3. Full delivery, ace. Got a great delivery down leg side. Fine luck is up in the circle. He's not happy with himself. Much needed boundary for Bangladesh.
A nice little freebie. Oh, there you go. Change of pace. There's the salute and the characteristic celebration of Shaheen. Right on target again. Stroke. Skipper gives a bit of glove love to Mohammed Minton.
What a shot. No effort whatsoever. Sheer timing. There was a fielder there for that shot. Obviously, he wasn't straight.
Oh, big slice. It's away with it. Yeah, it'll go all the way. Couple of bounces to third man.
Important boundary for Bangladesh. 140 now. The third man was up in the circle. Slightly wide, hence the top edge. Slow.
Runs on the board. Cool. Hassan Raza, the umpire, agrees. If you don't think you've hit it, Skip, yeah, come upstairs. And he has. You should know straight away, surely, if you've nicked this one. Out. Right on control of this one. But it doesn't matter if it's... Oh, there was an edge, I think there was, and Kohli didn't bother getting back in, which allowed the keeper to take the bails off if required, but you could hear the edge as it went in. Surely that's the last straw.
Please, no effort.
Delightful. Just underlines how slick this outfield is here.
It's a very odd field setting. He's got slip in place, he's got point fielder towards short third man, and then
deep square leg now in front. That'll race away the four. Not a great line from the Fizz.
great delivery either. Another boundary for Hafiz. He's looking good. So far 12 of 7. He's off the mark. Hassan Ali with the bang.
Boom, boom. Jyoti. Again. Bottom length struggling. And from the fizz.
Pressure off from Hassan Ali. That was his second boundary.